Hi friends, hello and welcome to our channel IMIND.Exceltraining. Well, let us see what is the new Power Query challenge which we have in this particular video. So here we are having 3 challenges, and before I explain you the challenges, let us take a look at the different sheet tabs which I have provided. So there are 3 sheet tabs. First is projects, second is team, and third is challenge. Let us see the projects tab. In the projects tab, you can see in column B, you have the project name, and in column C, you have the names of the people who are assigned to that project. In the team sheet tab, you have the entire list of all the employees present in your company. Now let us see the challenge. The first challenge is list each project and the number of people on each project. Example, you have the Galaxy project and number of people in that project is 3. You have the Eclipse project and the number of people in that project is 4, and so on. So this is the first challenge. The second challenge, list everyone by the number of projects they are on and then list them alphabetically. Example, Amy is working on 5 projects, Carl on 3, and so on. And last is, list everyone from the full team list who doesn't have a project assigned to them. So let me show you how you can resolve this issue using Power Query. We'll first click on the team sheet. Then we'll right click anywhere inside the data and select Get Data from Table/Range and then click on OK. We'll give the sheet the name as Full Team and hit Enter. Then we'll select Close and Load To and only create connection and click on OK. Then we come to the project sheet. Right click anywhere inside the data, select Get Data from Table/Range and we'll give this query the name as Project-Wise Employees Assigned. Now, first we'll split this column. So we'll click on the team, then we'll right click on this team and select Split Column by Delimiter. Here we'll select a custom delimiter and it will be comma and a space. And in advanced options, we'll select Split into Rows and click on OK. So we have this. Now we'll duplicate this project-wise. So we'll duplicate it. And now we'll group this based on the project name. So we'll group by, and in group by we'll select project and count and click on OK. So we have the project names and the number of people assigned to that project. So we'll give this the name like grouped by project name and people assigned. And count of people assigned. So our first challenge is met. That is, we have found the project name and the count of people in each project. Now we want to make the second challenge. And in the second challenge, what we want the employee name and the total number of projects to which he is assigned. So what we'll do, we'll select Merge Queries and we'll select merge queries as new. In the top, we'll select full team, and in the bottom, we'll select project-wise employee assigned, and the common field is team, and in the join kind, we'll select inner, that is only matching rows, and click on OK. So a new report is created in which you have the team name. You can click over here, remove the check mark next to use original column name as prefix. So you have the team name and the project assigned. So we'll give this the name like grouped by employee name and total number of projects. Now what we'll do, we'll group this. So we'll click on this full team column and select group by and full team and count and select OK. So we have each employee name and the count of projects assigned to them. So our second challenge is also met. So first challenge was project name and count of people assigned. Second challenge, employee names and total number of projects in which they are present. And we want to sort them in the ascending order, so we select A to Z. Now our final assignment is we want to find the list of those employees from the full team who have not been assigned any project. So we click on full team and we select merge queries as new. And on the top it is full team. At the bottom it is project wise employees assigned. Common is full team and team. And from the join kind we'll select left anti-join and click on OK. So this will create a new query and it will show us the list of people who have not been assigned any project. So I'll give this the name as not assigned. If you click on this arrow, you will see that none of the projects have been assigned to these 6 people. So we have found a solution to all the 3 challenges. The first challenge, project name, count of people in each project. Second challenge, employee name, count of projects in which they are present. And third challenge, list of people who have not been assigned any project. So friends, hope you have learned something new. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.